Managing a nonprofit can be tough, especially when you're trying to balance mission driven work with the nitty gritty of operations. If you're wondering how to manage your nonprofit effectively using Monday.com, you're in the right place. This video will give you a quick rundown of how you can leverage this software to stay organized and streamline your nonprofit's operations while keeping your team on track. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that might actually be better for your specific nonprofit needs. First, Monday.com offers a really intuitive platform that helps you manage everything from volunteer coordination to donor tracking. It's easy to set up, and once you're in, you can organize all your tasks, deadlines, and communications in one place. But what makes it really powerful is the ability to customize your boards, allowing you to track projects and teams the way that works best for your nonprofit. Next, you can automate many of your daily tasks. For example, you can set up automatic reminders for important dates like donation drives or meetings. Monday.com makes it easy to create workflows that automatically send emails or create tasks based on certain triggers, which saves your team time and ensures nothing gets missed. It's definitely one of the more robust tools out there in terms of automation features. The third thing that stands out about Monday.com is its visual interface. Whether you prefer Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or a more traditional table view, you can view your projects in whatever way makes sense to you. This level of flexibility allows teams of all sizes to collaborate effectively. You can see who's doing what and when without digging through endless emails or spreadsheets. The clarity it provides is a huge asset for any nonprofit trying to stay organized. The fourth thing to consider is its integrations. Monday.com connects seamlessly with other apps like Google Drive, Slack, and even QuickBooks for managing finances. This makes it easier to keep everything in sync and ensures you're not jumping between different tools. However, if your nonprofit relies heavily on a very specific tool that isn't in the integrations list, that could be a deal breaker. And here's where I get real. While Monday.com is a solid choice for managing your nonprofit, it does come with some learning curves, especially if you're new to project management software. Some features can be overwhelming for smaller teams that just need the basics. Plus, the pricing structure can add up as you scale, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, don't get me wrong, Monday.com is great, but I also want to point out some other tools that might be more tailored to the specific needs of nonprofits. For example, software like Asana or Trello could be more user-friendly for smaller teams or organizations that don't need all the bells and whistles. If you're primarily focused on managing volunteer shifts or tracking donations, there are specialized tools that might do a better job at a lower cost. Before you make any decisions, here's the good news. If you're interested in Monday.com, I've got an exclusive offer just for you. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial, plus additional benefits that you won't find anywhere else. And as a bonus, I've also included some amazing alternatives that may be better suited to the goals of your nonprofit. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. The bottom line is that Monday.com can work wonders for managing your nonprofit. Just make sure it's the right fit for your needs. Check out the link below to get your exclusive trial and explore some other options that could help take your nonprofit to the next level.